Understanding streaming equipment. A guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. Streaming equipment. Whether you're aspiring to become a content creator or just curious about how your favorite live streams come to life, understanding the tools behind the scenes is key. So, let's explore what streaming equipment is and why it's important for digital content creators. Streaming equipment refers to the set of tools and devices used by content creators to broadcast live or pre-recorded videos to an audience over the internet. This can include anything from computers and cameras to microphones and lighting. The right equipment is essential for producing high-quality content that attracts and retains viewers. 1. Camera. The eye of your stream. It captures video footage. Webcams and professional-grade cameras are popular choices. 2. Microphone. Ensures your audio is clear. Whether it's built-in or standalone, good audio quality is crucial. 3. Lighting. Good lighting can dramatically improve video quality. Ring lights or softbox lights are common options. 4. Encoder. Converts your video into a streamable format. This can be a software application or a dedicated hardware device. 5. Internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is vital for broadcasting smoothly without interruptions. Selecting the right streaming equipment depends on your needs, audience, and the type of content you plan to produce. Beginners might start with a simple setup, while professionals may invest in higher quality equipment. Consider factors like budget, ease of use, and compatibility with your existing devices. That wraps up our journey through the world of streaming equipment. Remember, the best setup is one that meets your specific needs and helps you connect effectively with your audience. We hope this video has shed some light on the essentials of streaming equipment and inspires you to create amazing content. Happy streaming, and see you in the next video.